In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to build modules with Canvas to create course flow. This provides consistency for students by creating rhythm and increased understanding of what is expected. In your account here, click Start a New Course. You can name your course whatever you'd like. For this, I'm going to name mine Success Strategies. Now you can change the type from private, public, various different Creative Commons choices, but I'm going to choose private for this tutorial and create course. Now I'm going to start building my course. Some teachers will dive right in and start creating assignments, discussions, different pages, and kind of put it all together at the end. But by building a course through modules, it creates an educational flow that students can clearly see what's required. So I'm going to click Create a New Module. A module is essentially a learning unit. For this module, I'm going to title it Unit 1, but you could go by chapter, week by week, whatever your preference. And click Add Module. Here is Unit 1 that was created. Now remember, there's no content in it, so we need to add something. Click the plus sign that brings you to add items that you'd like. You can add in an assignment, quizzes, pages, discussions, your preference. For this, I'm going to add a page. Now we want to title it. For this one, I'm going to title it Welcome to Unit 1 and add. Now you can see that our page is there, but there's still no content within it. So if you click on the title and click Edit, here is where you can add to your page. Here, I want to welcome the students, so I'll type in, welcome everyone, let's get started. And go ahead and save. And there you go. You have content within your first module. You can continue your progress by adding more items. For this one, I'm going to add an assignment. The first assignment, let's see, we'll title it Academic Organization. Select Add New to add your assignment. Now remember, there's no content yet, so go ahead and click on the name. You can see there's no content for your assignment yet. So if you go up to Edit, this is where you'll add your content. Here you can put a description of the assignment, instructions, how to access, etc. You can also set the point value. Here I'm going to set it at 100. You have different choices. You can set it at points, grade, etc. I want points. The type of submission, I want it as an online submission. And here are the different choices you can choose to have your students submit. Here, I would like them to upload a file. You can also restrict the type of files that you would like to receive. You can also designate if it's going to be a group assignment or if it needs to be peer reviewed. I want to assign this to everyone, and here is where you're going to set the due date. Now you can set a date range of when this assignment is available for students to access. And go ahead and save. We have some content now here in the assignment of academic organization. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in getting started with developing your online course. Thank you.